Hey, yeah, you? If you're over 45 and your morning doesn't feel like it used to, I need 10 minutes of your time. Because 3 urologists just handed me something that changed everything I thought I knew. I'm Dr. Mia Carter. This is True Wellness Network, and I'm talking directly to you. I know exactly how this feels. You wake up, the alarm goes off, you roll over, and nothing. Not tired, not sick, just empty. You look in the mirror and think, is this it? Is this what 50 looks like? I've had patients, good men, sit right here and say, "Doc, I don't even recognize myself anymore." And I used to say, it's just aging. Until last month. Until I read one study that made me stop everything. Let me read this to you, word for word. Study, Johns Hopkins, 2024. 300 men, 55 to 78 years old. 14 days. Group 1 drank plain coffee. Group 2 added 1 teaspoon of Peruvian black Maca to their coffee. Here's what happened. Pelvic blood flow, 312% increase. Free testosterone, 43% higher. Morning erections, 87% came back. Energy, 68% better, and 0 side effects. I want you to hear that again. 87 out of 100 men woke up like they were 30, just from one change in their coffee. Let me show you why this isn't magic. Your body has 3 roadblocks after 40. First, blood vessels get stiff, so there's less flow downstairs. Second, stress kills testosterone because cortisol wins. Third, Leydig cells go to sleep and the factory shuts down. Maca fixes all 3. It has arginine that turns into nitric oxide and opens blood vessels, macamides that block cortisol and protect your levels, and glucosinolates that wake up those Leydig cells. Now add caffeine. It's like turbocharging the delivery. This isn't a supplement, it's food, used in Peru for 2,000 years by warriors, by grandfathers, and now by you. Come here, let's do this together. You need 3 things. Your regular coffee, whatever you drink, black maca powder, gelatinized 10-to-1 and a teaspoon. Step 1, brew your coffee hot. Step 2, add 1 level teaspoon of maca. Step 3, stir 10 seconds. That's it. Tastes like nutty cocoa. No grit, no weird aftertaste. Start tomorrow, 7 a.m. 1 cup, 1 scoop. Then come back here in 7 days and tell me what changed. Here's what actually happens. Day 1 to 3, you might not feel much, but your blood vessels are opening. Day 4 to 7, energy picks up and you wake up before the alarm. Day 8 to 14, this is when most men notice. Morning stiffness, confidence that, I got this feeling. One patient, 71 years old, said, "Mia, I haven't felt this since Vietnam." That's not hype, that's biology. Let's be real. If you're on blood thinners, ED meds, or have prostate issues, talk to your doctor first. Maca is safe for 99% of men, but I'm not gambling with your health. This is education, not a prescription, not a miracle, just one tool backed by science. You deserve to feel strong, alive. You. Tomorrow morning, add 1 scoop, then come back here. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to True Wellness Network, and share it with someone who may need to hear this. Comment, Day 1. I'll be watching. I'm Dr. Mia Carter. This is True Wellness Network. Let's get your mornings back.